Hey everyone, welcome to our February series about insurance. This is my friend Bill Meador. He is the owner of Bill Meador Insurance Agency on Electric Road, and he's going to talk to us today about flood insurance. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me, Jessie, and appreciate it. And when it comes to buying a home, if you're watching this video right now, one of the main questions you want to ask your real estate agent before you get too involved in the process is if the home is going to require flood insurance. A few years ago, FEMA came in and rezoned a lot of the Roanoke and Salem and Vinton areas and reclassified homes in different flood zones. So a home that might not have been considered in a flood zone 10 years ago might now be considered in one. And with flood insurance comes an additional expense to you. So it's something you definitely want to figure into the equation when you're running the numbers and trying to figure out what your true mortgage payment is going to be.
Because it can seriously change the tide. It can make you unable to buy a home sometimes.
Absolutely. I mean, I would say on average here in the Roanoke area, flood insurance can run about $100 a month, so about $1,200 a year. So if you haven't figured that into your budget, it's good to ask that question ahead of time with your real estate agent so you are prepared and there's no shock when it comes to finalizing the deal.
Right. And when it comes to FEMA, there's also private flood insurance, which you do, correct?
That is correct. So if you're talking with your insurance agent, make sure that they also represent private flood insurance companies. And the reason I say that is FEMA rates are going to be your most expensive flood insurance rates that you're going to pay for. If your agent represents a private flood insurance, sometimes they can bypass what the FEMA underwriting guidelines are, and it could cut your flood insurance price significantly, in some cases in half of what you would pay. I will say the one caveat to that is you can only qualify for a private flood insurance if you're doing a conventional loan.
Okay.
So if you're doing a government loan, FEMA product or FEMA flood insurance is going to be required.
Well, that's great to know. That's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Bill. I appreciate it. And Bill actually has his own YouTube channel, guys, so tell him where to go follow you.
I do. If you want to follow me at the Bill Meador Insurance Agency, we're trying to grow that as well. I think right now we're only up to 100 subscribers or so give me a follow and I'd appreciate it.
Absolutely, and I'll tag him in the video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.